up, everyone? Mark Anthony back with Not Your Father's Crypto. And today we have just gotten some huge news in regards to one of the most polarizing and influential people within cryptocurrency and a company that he is the largest shareholder within that company. Yes, Elon Musk. Elon Musk has proposed to buy Twitter for $43 billion. So we're going to get into this. In this video, we're going to talk about the charts of DOGECOIN, and we're going to talk about the Twitter chart, and we're going to talk about how this will impact cryptocurrency moving forward. So before we get down to it, remember to subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment down below. It means a lot, and we're going to get right into it. So here, like I said, Elon Musk has recently filed a proposal of $43 billion to buy Twitter, okay? So as of late, Elon has tried to get a seat at the board as being the largest shareholder of Twitter, okay? So that did not go his way, to say the least. So in this recent SEC filing, Musk offered $54.20 per share for Twitter, okay? So that puts a market cap of Twitter at a valuation of $43 billion. Now, Twitter is currently trading about $46 at the time of this news being released. So that is about a $8.20 increase of the current share price. Now, analysts everywhere have kind of thought this is maybe a kind of a low ball, okay? So Twitter, within the past year, has recently hit highs of $70, okay? So obviously, a $15.80 difference is obviously a highly undercut offer. Now, Tron founder, Justin Sun, offered $60 billion for Twitter, okay? So this was in light of Elon's offer. So there's a little bit of a competition going on to acquire Twitter. Now, everybody wants Twitter, obviously, for the social platform, worldwide, globally. It's a great way to get news out. It's a great way to get, promoted. It's a great way to grow and have an influence and share that influence on a worldwide stage. So obviously Elon and Justin Sun alike, with Web3 coming out and all these other developments across the board in regards to cryptocurrency, we all can kind of form our conclusions why everybody is trying to get this into being an asset where they can deploy it to be influential on a mass scale level, implementing policies, implementing whatever they come across that they deem necessary to advance, Web3, advance what's to come with cryptocurrency and politics, advance everything on a global market that Twitter could basically form all of their accounts, their members, that becomes a huge social platform to push an agenda. So we can all fill in the blanks and see what that means. This doesn't have to do with Tesla. This is bigger than Tesla. So we're gonna get down into some more nitty gritty and revolving around that. Especially has Elon his emphasis on free speech, and that is his biggest negative in regards to Twitter. Is Twitter and Facebook alike censorship, pushing agendas, politicians and political agendas coming to the forefront of a social media platform that directly goes against free speech. Now, we're not going to cross any political boundaries, rile anybody up, or get people one way or the other and start flying red and blue flags, what have you. We're not going to do that on this channel. However, free speech is definitely a unanimous vote as an American, as a human being in the free world. Free speech is necessary. Free speech is necessary, and censorship alike is a very big gray area. So obviously, there's going to be a lot more to come from that, and I don't think anybody is buying into this proposal at this price. Obviously, the board would have to vote on it. So, this $54.20 cash acquisition price is a long ways, I think, a long ways apart from that Twitter board. So, but I wanted to talk about this and how this directly ties into crypto today. So we're going to look into the Dogecoin, as Elon being the Doge father, and we're going to look at that chart and we're going to see how that's trading, as well as Twitter's price. You know, a lot of people involved with crypto, they also deal with traditional assets, unless you're a crypto maxi and that's how you roll. But like I said, Dogecoin, being directly tied to Elon, has broken that 24-hour range, and at the time of this release is up about 6%. Okay, so that is interesting to note, as this is very early. A lot of people probably have just gotten this news; they haven't had time to digest it, and it'd be very interested to see how the public anticipates this news, or if it's priced in. Because, like I said, Elon is the largest shareholder of Twitter. So maybe this potentiality of Elon's takeover or Elon's high influence within the Twitter space has already been priced into the crypto markets. So, like I said, it's about a 2% increase, bump in the chart. Very modest, it's not the 20% you would see with some crazy, buy-in across the board or something along those lines, but definitely something to keep an eye on. And then, obviously Twitter is up 2% as well. So basically everything's still trading sideways. So as a investment strategy, not financial advice, however, sideways trading is always optimistic for, having a way to obtain profits and maximize profits down the road. If you see this news as being bullish for, Dogecoin, Twitter-like, honestly, in my opinion, just my 2 cents, I could see a Elon takeover of Twitter having a trickle-down effect across crypto, across the board. I think it's more of a ploy to get Twitter in a social space, more, DeFi friendly, more decentralized. I think it's kind of a changing of climate more or less than a free speech tactic. I think it's just going to be shifting that into a more crypto-centric social platform. So let me know what you think about this video down in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.